Hey guys, so I am actually going to be doing the broccoli pesto pasta. I thought I had some chicken breast left over and I couldn't find sun-dried tomatoes. No, all of them. You can get them all. And I thought I was gonna be able to get the sun-dried tomatoes so I can actually really show you how I make it in like the actual way. The original recipe that I have up on my channel, it is just a basic. You can add whatever ingredients or make it however you want based off of it. This is just my version of it. I take the cheat way and actually use prepackaged pesto. I know some people, they prefer to make it homemade, and then there's also the jars that you have at the store. For me and my family, it's just easier to use the packets. So while we are cooking, we're going to be answering some questions. It's going to be the mother and daughter questions. I'll have the questions or whatever down in the description box. So some of these questions are going to be pretty similar, but I'm going to be asking Akina questions and then she's going to ask me questions. Mom's favorite color is
purple. Daughter's favorite color is
pink. Mom's shoe size is,
I don't know.
You don't know my shoe size?
No, how am I supposed to know? I don't stalk your feet. Daughter's favorite meal that mom cooks is
I would have to say Batalillos.
Wrong person.
Wrong, really?
Yeah.
You don't like Batalillos anymore?
No, I do. It's just not my favorite.
Oh. Well, what is your favorite?
Broccoli with cheese.
Ew. Mom's favorite flower is?
I don't know. I never gave you a flower before.
I don't really like flowers because I have my allergies.
I don't know why you never eaten that chocolate flower.
Yeah. That's why I don't really have a favorite flower, because most of them make me sneeze and have puffy eyes.
Favorite book is?
Anything that has to do with anime.
Okay, yeah.
Question. Mom is how many years old?
31. No, not like 30. He's either 31 or 30. And don't deny it.
I'm 21.
No, you're not. You don't stay 21 forever. Stop trying.
Next
Daughter's
question.
favorite movie is?
Favorite movie, Incredibles?
Nah.
Oh. Anything but anime?
No, because they don't really make movies of them. The only anime I want to watch is My Hero Academia, the movie.
Mom was how old when she got married?
I don't know how old, but you got married when you were pregnant with Journey. I don't know how old you were.
Do you remember that day?
No.
No?
No, I just saw pictures.
I think you were like 3 when me and Daddy got married.
I told you, I have a horrible memory.
I think that's what it was.
Go, but I don't even try. Gone in the deep end tonight. I just wanna love ya. 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 Now you're making it so
My favorite song is?
I have no idea.
Me neither.
Oh, you don't have a favorite song?
No, I don't.
You just like music.
Yeah.
I tried to replace you, tried to give up on you.
Mom's favorite song is...
I don't know.
I don't have a favorite song.
Anyway.
If anything, I would, like, if I were to pick a favorite song, it would probably be Hurt by Christina Aguilera. Yeah, and it's an old song. I think you were a baby when that song came out.
Daughter's favorite school subject is
Art.
yeah.
Gone in the deep end tonight.
Mom was born in what city and state?
State, Pennsylvania, city, Reading, and
I just wanna love ya. I just wanna love ya. But you're making it so hard. But you're making it so hard. But you know you're making it so hard, so hard, so hard. Saw your name on my phone, yeah. 3 o'clock.
daughter's favorite vacation ever was.
We never really went on vacation.
No, we never.
No. I think the only vacation we really did was camping.
No, I hated that. I know nothing but bugs and spiders, and
That's all you complain about.
spiders in the outdoors, and it was cold out there, and we could barely even make a fire.
Mom has how many siblings?
2. 3. What do you mean you got 3?
I have 2 brothers and a sister.
I only met 2 of them.
No, you met the other one.
No, I didn't.
Yeah, you just don't remember.
Daughter wants to be how tall when she grows up.
You want to be taller than me, that's for sure.
Yeah. And I'm like 2 inches away.
Mom's favorite dessert is...
I don't know.
I don't really eat dessert.
Me neither. I hate cakes.
Yeah, I don't like
Hey,
it.
don't eat cake. Zebra cakes. Ugh, they're nasty.
Yeah.
Daughter's favorite Sonic drink.
We don't have Sonic here. And I don't think we ever went to Sonic in Maryland.
I never went to Sonic,
Yeah, I don't think... And Sonic, I think Sonic is nasty, so...
so I wouldn't know since I never went there.
So how about we pick a different restaurant?
I don't know. Like, I'm not going to McDonald's because McDonald's scares me. Because all there's this people drawing favorite cartoon characters into villains, and if you ask me, Ronald McDonald looked like the scariest thing I've ever seen.
Okay.
It's better enough that I hate Ronald McDonald already.
So I crawl into the underground. Find it hard to breathe. 'Cause there's too much dust in the air. And we can't reverse the wheel. Cause I found when I've searched around lately, the world seems to be the same. There's only room for the privileged and sacred.
Mom's favorite drink is...
Coffee.
Pretty much.
Daughter's favorite gift ever was. I don't know.
I don't know either. Because you got so much stuff. Mom was how old when she had her ears pierced?
I don't know that.
I don't know that either.
Daughter's favorite birthday was.
I don't think you remember your first birthday. I think that
That was
was
like daughter's favorite birthday ever.
yeah, but I don't think if you was old enough to remember it, you was 1. But I had when you were in for your first birthday, I spent like over $1,000. I bought you a Princess Jasmine outfit.
Oh heck no, I remember that one.
Will you stay with me now? 'Cause I'm lost here in America. Stay with me. I'm lost here in America. Stay with
My
me.
favorite thing to do with mom is
Go to the store and get some. Well then I don't know.
me neither. 'Cause I do nothing. I don't even socialize enough.
No,
I'll
you just stay in your room.
I'll just lock myself in my room with my online friends who only care about me.
Hey, this might come out as total madness.
So that is all the questions that we have for the daughter.
That's a messed up
and-
avocado.
That's all the questions that we have for the mom and daughter tag. If you guys have any other questions that you want to ask me or Akina, leave them down in the comment section and we'll do a separate video on questions and answers.
But I'm dead serious.
So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this little clip of me trying to teach my daughter how to cook regular food instead of just eggs.
I made scrambled and an omelet today.
Yeah. And
And on toast.
and I hope you guys enjoyed the little cooking video that I did. And so yeah, like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video. Say bye.
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 Bye.